morning, my beautiful peoples. I'm Liz Black, and today we'll be showing you my light cooking gear. Light and weight. Yes, I'm excited about that. From my last weekend gear shakeout, I spent a couple of days, and so I got some footage, and I am putting together a series of videos to show you my gear. And so, further ado, here we go. Well, first up is my latest find. This is a silicone stretchy lid. It covers all the bowls in your kitchen. There's a ton of different sizes, and I bought it at Amazon. The pot, it's a 700 milliliter Snow Peak titanium pot, and I bought it at REI. It's great if you're doing any cold soaking. I can also boil. I'm going to put a tiny little hole for steam escape. This is the Sea Summit Collapsible X Cup. I also bought it at REI, and it's 8 ounces. It's small, it's very nice. This spoon is from Amazon. It's titanium. I don't eat long ones. The packets that I use are halfway sipped down, and I also use Ziploc bags and eat out of that. I'll show you that later. But so far it's great. It fits in my pots. I use a mini Bic lighter. This is the BRS stove, BRS T300 stove. I bought this on Amazon as well. This is a pot cozy made out of reflective material held together by electrical tape. You can use duct tape or any other tape. I used a windshield cover for the car that I bought at the dollar store, cut it out and taped it. If you check YouTube, there are a million pot cozy reflective material how-tos, and I recommend you get your own. I don't really need one here today, it's too warm, but I just brought it to show it to you. I bought this adventure meal at a Walmart. Walmart is starting to bring in quite a bit of backpacking items, supplies. Check them out. For a 2-day, it's a half a portion each. It has quite a bit of calories. I can't remember how much, however, but I highly recommend it. It tasted pretty good. I saved it, for 2 nights, half each. If I make my own dinner at home, I bring it in Ziploc bags and just put them in my cozy and just add the water to hydrate. Well, let me know if you have any questions about anything you've seen here regarding gear or any other item, anything related to backpacking, or us Wilma or us older women backpacking questions. I hope you found this video useful, and you can hit share or like, and don't forget to subscribe for additional footage. Have a nice evening.